There she goes. There she goes again. Racing through my brain. Come on, you ancient space junk. Work! Ah, much better. What no high beams? You have got to be kidding me. Well, I do not really have any options thanks to this piece of junk spaceship.
And if you hear this song, then go on. Bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby. Shake it to the max.
Ah, look at this nerd and his fancy Tesla.
Turn off your high beams, jerk.
Jerk? Have you looked in the mirror lately? Hey, buddy, do you want me to come over there and punch you in your snot box?
You hurt me? I eat pieces of crap like you for breakfast.
Ew, that's disgusting. You eat pieces of crap for breakfast? And here I was thinking you were a vegan. Ha ha ha!
That's all, folks.